Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, this is 8K goodness on the OnePlus 11. I'm just walking around my empty mall and just trying out these cameras. Now, and this is 8K, so compared to my S23 Ultra, which I thought did great on the 8K, I thought it did a really good job. I know YouTube can compress it some, but when you look at, the footage that you get from the phone, it's probably one of the smoothest 8K video that I ever seen, to be honest. And I want to see what OnePlus can do with the 8K and compare them. Maybe if I do an 8K battle, that might be the next video. I'm definitely going to put these cameras against the S23 Ultra and see which one does better. But I like doing these comparisons, or even walking around, just so y'all can get an idea of what the cameras can do. Look at this poor tree. I think someone's behind me. Probably like, what is this guy doing? Oh, actually that is a grandpa teaching his grandson how to drive. They've been driving in the parking lot for a little bit now, so he's teaching them how to drive. But what y'all think about it? How does that look? How does everything sound? Are you picking up the OnePlus 11? I'll keep on wanting to say OnePlus 11 Pro. I don't know why. Maybe because that's what they did in the past. But no Pro, just OnePlus 11. It is smooth, runs great, battery life has been good, and the cameras seem good too. But we'll definitely test it out more. Check out baby girl. Look at those rims. Look at those rims. I need some new ones though. I need to hook up with some new rims. Look at the clouds. But I just want to do a quick 8K video. Stay tuned to the channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the OnePlus 11. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace, y'all. I'm out.